best windows for resale value. So when a new homeowner, when a new person's coming to look to buy your home, they don't want to buy a window problem. They don't want to. It's it's the same thing. If you have a roof that's leaking, they don't want to buy a leaky roof. If you have a foundation that's cracking, they don't want to buy a cracking foundation. And if you have a window that doesn't operate or is failing, they don't want to buy that. So when a homeowner's looking to sell their home, they want to make sure they have products that are in that work, that are not an issue, that aren't going to devalue the value of their home. I've told this story 1,000 times, and it's one of my biggest learning things. I replaced, and when my wife and I lived in our first house, we'd lived there several years, and I had this'll date me, green teal Formica countertops pulled out, and we went back with granite, and we did backsplash tile and under cabinet lighting, and it was really beautiful and cool and all that. But we didn't replace the appliances, and my appliances were very dated black appliances back to the early 1990s when we bought their home. And in 1990, that was cool, by the way. But when I was going to sell, my wife, when I was doing the cabinets, was like, "Are we going to get new appliances? Are we going to get stainless steel?" I'm like, "I'm not going to spend the money to get, our appliances work fine. I don't need to waste the money on, stainless steel." And so we lived with them for several years with the black appliances. And then we went to sell our home. My realtor came in, and he brought several realtors in, and they all came through, and they're like, "Hey, your kitchen's great, but your appliances are really dated. You need to replace them." And I'm like, "I'm not replacing the appliances. They're perfect. They work great." And he's like, "Well, they're really bringing the kitchen down." I'm like, "Well, we'll see." Then we had our open house and had several people come through, and he left cards on there, what did you like about the house? What didn't you like about the house, for them to fill out? And we got 4 cards that said that the appliances really hurt the kitchen. And I'm like, I actually thought my realtor had set this up. And I was like, no. So we had people that came through and made offers, but they wanted us to take money off for the appliances and da-da-da. So what happened is, to sell the home, I bought stainless steel appliances and replaced the black ones with stainless steel appliances. And my wife has never forgiven me to this day, and this is 17 years later, because we could have enjoyed the stainless steel appliances while we were there, because I bought them either way. It's just I bought them for somebody else, not us. And I use that very long-winded story. It's the same thing with windows. You want to do it right. Do it right. While you're there, enjoy it. You don't know if you're selling today, tomorrow, or 20 years. Nobody has a crystal ball. So when you're doing this, the last thing you want to do, because everybody's like, "Well, I don't want to put too much money in the house because I'll never get it back." And then they wind up staying longer than they thought, or they go with a really cheap product and they wind up having to replace it again because they did it so cheap to begin with that it doesn't function. And now the new homeowner or the new buyer's inspector's like, "This window's failed, this window's failed. You don't have such the great warranty that you thought you had." And the next thing you know, you're buying windows again. Just do it right from the start. It doesn't cost that much more to do it right. And then you get to enjoy it, and then you resell the house. You don't have to buy it again. The window's properly, made, installed, and warranted. So if you do have a problem, it's not your money or time, it's ours or theirs or whatever. So